Good day, my name is Dennis Flores and I have experience in billing and collections. I am a hardworking and reliable person who loves enjoying new skills and working with a team. In my previous role, I developed strong communication and problem-solving abilities, and now I'm looking for an opportunity where I can contribute my skills and continue growing professionally. While working in billing collections, I handle invoice preparation, then payment tracking and customer inquiries. I also ensured all transactions were recorded accurately in our systems. This experience strengthened my organizational skills, attention to detail, and ability to handle information responsibly. I want to take this role because it aligns with my skills and career goals. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to the team, learn new challenges, and help organization achieve its goal. I believe my experience and motivation will allow me to add value while continuing to grow professionally. I decided to leave to find a position that offers a better work and a better work-life balance. While continuing to grow professionally, and also I wanted to expand my skills and gain new knowledge, experience in the areas of my experience. I chose this degree because it matched my interests and strengths. I believe it would provide the skills I needed in the future. My main goal is to find a role where I can contribute my skills and grow. I'm confident we can agree on compensation package that reflects the responsibilities of the position.